In, on, at. Rules for using prepositions of time. Prepositions are difficult for many students. Would you like to be able to use prepositions of time confidently? This video will teach you the rules that you need to know. Stay to the end to find out how to get my favorite handout on this topic. Let's begin. Use at to talk about the time something happens. For example, class begins at 8:30. The plane leaves at 7:15 p.m. Peter will be here at 4 o'clock. Lunch is at noon. The boat arrived at sunset. You can also use at in the phrase at night. For example, my father works at night. At night, our cat likes to go out. It's dangerous to go some places at night. We use on to talk about the days of the week. For example, we're going to the beach on Saturday. My brother has a dentist appointment on Friday. Marco has class on Tuesday and Thursday. You can also use on to talk about events happening on holidays. For example, on Independence Day, we set off fireworks. I'll see my family on Christmas Day. My little sister dressed up like a witch on Halloween. Finally, on can be used to talk about the date. For example, my birthday is on October 7th. Independence Day is on July 4th. She was born on May 5th, 2003. The election will be on November 5th, 2024. Note, you can use on with or without the year in talking about the date. Now, there are many ways to use the preposition in to talk about time. You can use it for months, years, decades, seasons, etc. Let's look at these. Use in to talk about the month and year without the specific date. For example, classes begin in September. Our vacation is in July. The American Revolution began in 1775. They were married in 2012. We went to Greece in July 2022. Also use in to talk about decades. A decade is a 10-year period of time. For example, I grew up in the 1970s. The Great Depression happened in the 1930s. Eisenhower was president of the US in the 1950s. Use in to talk about seasons. For example, we get a lot of snow in the winter. Our family goes on vacation in the summer. We start school in the fall. You can also use in to talk about the morning, afternoon, and evening by using these phrases. For example, I had to get up at 5:30 in the morning. In the morning, my mother works. My friend and I play soccer in the afternoon. My grandfather always took a nap in the afternoon. Some adults take classes in the evening. In the evening, I like to relax at home. We can also use in to talk about future time. For example, I'll be there in 10 minutes. School starts in 2 weeks. In 2 years, Paula will graduate. You can use the phrases in the past and in the future to talk about time. For example, in the past, people traveled on horses. In the past, I couldn't speak English. Everyone will drive electric cars in the future. In the future, I will be an engineer. Finally, we use from and to talk about when something begins and ends. For example, English class is from 10 o'clock to 11:30. The reception is from 6:30 p.m. to midnight. The school year is from September to June. Our work week is from Monday to Friday. Barack Obama was president from 2009 to 2017. So that's it. There's a link to my favorite handout on this topic in the video description. I've had this forever. I forgot where I even got it from, but it's great. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.